Good morning, it's parkrun day and we are not in the UK tourism, but as part of our cycle tour we've come over to the Netherlands and we are cycling to Delftse parkrun this morning to do the parkrun there, see what it's like and then carry on with our cycle tour. So a bit different this morning. The team are just finishing setting up the parkrun. They're quite laid back over here. This is at Park as well. At home, the team seems to get here quite early. Here, just get here in time. Everything all seems to be done and dusted just in time, but slightly more laid back approach to it all. And of course, everybody's arriving on bikes. We're in the Netherlands.
This is our 116th park run. First of all, I believe we have a number of visitors. I know that there's someone from Bristol. There's another couple from England, I think. Excellent. Welcome, welcome. I'll give a short explanation of the route. The route is 2.5 kilometers a lap. The lap starts here, obviously, and then you carry on straight all the way to the end. In the bend, you turn to the left. After about 200 meters, you turn right onto what we call the beach. That's about an 800-meter run all the way to the end. After which you will do a U-turn back onto yourself, but then through the woods. Then you'll do another around about 800 meters. Then you should see a sign pointed to the right, which will bring you out to where that cyclist is going at the moment. There's a path there. That path goes all the way around this field and the following field, after which you will do a turn to the left and come back onto yourself. That's lap one. That's 2.5 Ks. We'll come and do it again. And at the second lap, you obviously come through here, through the finish funnel.
Everybody ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Have fun, guys! See you in a bit.
We are off on Delftse parkrun, running through the woodlands to begin with. In fact, I think most of the parkrun is wooded and by a lake as well. In fact, we've been promised a beach on the way around. And I think it's the first time in the parkrun tour briefing that I've been warned that one of the things we need to watch out for is nudists on the way around. There's a nudist beach. I won't film there. The water is just alive with the sparkle of the sunshine on there. What a beautiful vista to start your parkrun with. One of the noticeable differences here, which I think we noticed when we did Zood Park as well, there's far less marshals on the way around. They rely on arrows and sort of coarse signage to keep you on your way, which works fine. We're back in the shade of the trees, which is certainly welcome on this warm sunny morning. Ewan's not quite feeling it this morning, so he's decided to walk for a bit. I'm pressing onwards and we're just coming towards the end of our first lap. About to start the second. It's a 2-lap course and I can say it's pretty much pancake flat. Running by the beach and lake again, all neatly combed, ready for the day. Is it me, or do those blue bins look like the dreaded enemy in Doctor Who? Something about a little pole sticking out the front of them. And I don't know. Wrong colour though, they're more the colour of the TARDIS. We are back in the shade of the trees and almost about halfway through our second lap. So well on our way towards the finish now. Over there, I can see the finish now. We just have a little loop round to do before we get there. And we safely avoided seeing any nudists on the way round. Just an absolutely beautiful park. Beautiful views over the lake. And thankfully, on a hot day like today, plenty of shade from the trees. And that's it. Return back towards the finish now. There's the cafe I think they go to after parkrun. I think I've got the location correct. We've just got a couple of 100 yards to do. Cheers. Parkrun done. Heading back to our campsite now. Ready to join back onto the main part of our adventure. So if you've enjoyed this little parkrun tourism adventure around Delft Parkrun, then make sure you check out the full adventure of our ride around the Netherlands. See you on a little adventure soon.